Okay, this is Tracy Bowman with Bowman for Art, and I had gotten a commission to do a painting with orange flowers, but she didn't want the leaves to be quite so dark, so we won't use sap green today. But this is nickel Ozar gold. I have a problem with that one. Sorry. This is a great orange color. And in this color, I don't know if you can see, I've put some iridescent medium in it, so it has some nice sparkle. And let's see, so we're going to use festive green today. And this is by Deco Art Metallics, and has a nice gold sheen to it. Nice gold sheen. I have already put down, before I started, my base paint, which is Sherwin-Williams Paint to Go. This is it. Color to Go, excuse me. It's Color to Go by Sherwin-Williams. Sherwin-Williams Color to Go. And let's see here now. And this color, which is so delicious and sparkly, is Twisted Lemon by Primary Elements, and it is by Color Art. We'll have to put a little gold in the leaves too, because I love gold in the leaves. Ooh, wrong place. Pay attention. Oh, that's all right. Okay, so we have our cell activator, which is Australian floetrol, not American, and Amsterdam's Payne's Gray paint. It's a little softer than black. That's why I like to use the Payne's Gray. And my mini blower. And we'll blow that cell activator across those colors. Okie dokie. There that is. All right, now I've got this amazing color. Look at that. This is Georgia Peach by Primary Elements by Color Art. And that will just make this flower pop. Okay. And we'll add a little gold. two cell activator thing has been really something else for me lately, so I'm going to keep with that. I'm going to keep with that. And I like putting the white on the bottom. And just a couple drops. Then the Payne's Gray. Alrighty. And again, we're going to use the blower, but we're going to come from up high. And we're going to pitch that bullseye right on the nose, hopefully. This is the trickiest part with this blower. Okay. Oop, I missed that one. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. All right. Look at those cells. That looks amazing. And you see them? How about that? Okay. Get a bubble there. Okay. It's looking good. All right, so now I can futz a bit with these here leaves. Just kind of squiggle here. You could do all kinds of different things with it. Alrighty. So we'll start with the petals now. Look at how the cell activator has collected itself. That looks beautiful. Okay. Okay. I love these little points on the petals. right, we're ready to spin it. Ooh, lovely. It's lovely, lovely, beauteous. Okay, so now I need doodad flowers. And I think I'm going to use this lovely Georgia peach color. Okay, and doodad flowers need leaves too. Here we go. So, maybe I use the gold color for the drag. So let's see. Come right above it. Drag and connect. Yep, I like that gold. Yeah, the gold is very pretty on that. That's super. Oh, I'm in love with these doodad flowers. In love with the doodad flowers. What can I tell you? Yes, yes, yes. Very nice. Okay. There's a spot here that for some reason didn't want to. I'm sure it will lay down as it dries. All right, now we got to torch it. I do see a stubborn. Okay, it looks gorgeous, really beautiful. I'm glad that somebody inspired me to create it because it is gorgeous. Look at that flower. I mean, really, that is something else again. And the doodad flowers, I am in love with them. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Like and subscribe. Thank you. So here's the dried results. Came out lovely. Very, very happy with it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.